Hello everyone, Samuel from creativetrading.com, making this video about US dollar index. So let's get started. So this is one of the chart I made on 13 September after dropping here all the way back to this TL. That was my target for the longest time. So we finally achieved that. Then I said that we're going to be bouncing. So we bounced, we came back, and then again I made this chart that we're going to bounce from this TL, right from here and may go to like 61% of this drop. So let's take a look at the current chart, current monthly chart, what the heck happened since then. And this is the monthly chart. That's what happened, right? So we have a nice bullish candle here, right? Not much, but yeah, we started to bounce. Basically, we're bouncing. I also made a daily chart for more clarification of what is happening here. So let me show you that chart. This was the chart here. So this is what was happening at the monthly chart bottom. And I said, well, in Elliott wave count, that this could be like wave one or ending here, and then we're going to be going up for the correction, A, B, C fashion. Now, A is like three wave, A, B, C, then A, B, C for B, black count. Now, correction usually comes in three different ways, either two different phenomena means either 335 or 535. So here it looks like we're going to have 335, right? So I said A, B, C, that's A, and then A, B, C, that's B. So it's 3 and 3. And then 5 should be coming here, unfolding in. Let me show you the chart that usually what happened here. This is what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the correction A, B, and then C comes here in five waves. This is a bullish one, and we are having a bearish problem. Let me see if I can show you the bearish one. Oh, come on, man. It has to be somewhere. Yeah, here we go, right? So we drop here in five waves, and then we go A, B, and C. Now, A can have five waves as well, right? So that would be five, and then three, and then five. So that's called 535. Excuse me, I still have the after effects of this cold that I had. I think I had COVID actually, because after me, my son Omer got it, and then now my wife is sick right now. So we all got it. But thank God that we had the vaccination done, so not as bad. So, we're recovering from this vaccine. So don't worry, you're not gonna get it because we are over the internet, right? The virus don't travel over the internet. All right, so it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then either 535 or this A can have three waves as well. So that would be 335, right? So if it is three, then this wave C will be a big one, right? So let's take a look what's happening. This is the monthly chart, and then the daily chart. Remember, I made the chart showing that I can count as like A, B, C, A, B, C, B. That's 3 and 3. Now we need to go up for wave C in five wave fashion, right? So how so far what we have done is let's take a look at that. Okay, that's the same chart, right? And you can see here that this is A, this is B, and now I think that this is what's happening. This is like wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's gonna go up in five waves. So that would be 3, 3, 5. Right? So what happened so far? Now, if this wave C it have five waves, one, two, black count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the three can also have smaller waves. For example, let me show you that diagram again. That you see, this is 1, 2, and then this wave 3. Now, wave 3 also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This wave C also have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So A and B are done. Then this is like one or A, B, and then this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, and after that, wave 3 will have five subwaves. And that's what I think that we're having here. We're going to unfold five waves, one black count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But this wave 3 will also have five waves. Out of that, we have this blue Roman count, 1 and 2 are done. Then we're going to go up for wave 3, wave 4 sideways, wave 5, and that would be the end of wave 3, followed by wave 4 and wave 5 to the upside. That's what I think. That's what my count is right now. That's one possibility. And so far, every video I'm saying the same thing, and so far so good. We are going with that, right? Today is what, 24th October, right? So since September, and the whole September and the whole October, half of the September, I made the chart, right? So, and I said that the C is going to be there, and this is like almost half of the September and almost the whole October. It's about to finish in 6 days, right? So we are so far unfolding wave C of the correction in 5 waves. Is going to be 1 and 2 are done, and then wave 3 of 3, like wave 1 and 2 of wave 3 are also done. So that would be wave 3 of wave 3. That would be a powerful one. And I think that, today is going to be Friday night and then Friday morning, and that's it. That's the end of the week, finito. And then we will see next week something will happen, and then this thing may fly to the upside. And doing so, USD will get strong. Right. So if it's gonna get strong, then what it can do. Now, Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie and New USD, they have USD on the right hand side. If USD gets strong, they will go down. USD Yen, USD CAD, they have USD on the left hand side, and they will go up. That's the idea. So let's go take a look. And by the way, I made also last video that I made on 16th. I made this chart here, a 40-minute chart, my Renko chart for the smaller setups and all of that on a daily basis to look. So this is what I said, that this is like wave 1 and 2, and then this is again 1, 2, and we're gonna go up from here. And that's exactly, you can see here, 40-minute chart. That's exactly. Let's start to bounce, right? A small bounce so far, but yeah, it is bouncing. It's going to the upside. So let's see what happens, right? So now let's go take a look at Euro USD and Pound USD. They're supposed to be going down if US dollar index start to get strong, right? So Euro USD first. What are we looking for? Down syndrome. Down scenario, right? So now you see that, and this is the chart that I made a long time ago that when we were here, that we're gonna be going down for B, and then we're gonna go up for C, and that's exactly what happened. And then after that, I made the chart, either this one or here. This is the chart I made on 15th October, even before that when we were here. When we touched that 78%, I made the chart that we're gonna drop, but we end up ranging badly here in this area since then. So now I still think that if USD start to get strong, then we're supposed to be coming down here. Maybe not all the way, but maybe, halfway or whatever. Why? Because I think that maybe this is what is happening. So maybe this is like wave 1 and 2, and this could be wave 3, 4, 5. Now it's a girdle. Remember, I always talk about the failed girdle, right? So it's a bearish girdle. It's supposed to be dropping, but it is going to go up for this wave 3, then it will be a failed girdle. And failed girdle, usually what it does is that the price is going to drop to this high, and then it will fly. So maybe then, maybe that USD will do that. USD is getting strong, the wave C, right? So wave C, it has, only can go so much to the upside. Do I have it here daily? No, but this can go here somewhere, right? That would be the end of it, and then that would be less wave 2. But then it's gonna drop big time for waves, right? Or if it's 1, 2, 3, or A, B, and then C. So it's gonna drop, and then it's gonna get weaker. So this is another scenario that if it is 1 and 2, we need to go here for 3, and for that we need USD weakness. But right for now, as a bearish girdle, if it is going to play out because of the USD strength a little bit, this can drop to this high and then become a failed girdle and then make the turn and then go to the upside. All right. So as we go along, I'll keep making the videos and update you guys. And then let me show you the failed girdle drama, how it happens. Girdle, okay, and then failed girdle. Failed. We need a bearish. Okay. Let's see. Man, where is the main chart? Okay. Okay, let's see this one. Now, see this. This is what happens. So right now we have this. Right. If we are Euro USD, right? Euro USD is sitting here at 78%. You can see that here. See this weekly chart is much better. Right. This, right? So XA, then A, B, C, B, well, Gertler pattern 61%, 23, 78 here. So bearish Gertler. So this thing is going to drop, and then what will happen? It can, from this high or a little bit down to 38% line, which is, I don't even have it drawn here. Either it's going to be this high, or maybe 38% of this whole fib. So let me just add the 38% here because it's 78. So 78, 38, and 127. That happens most of the time. So what am I doing? Okay, I need to add 0.382, and that would be 38.2 space percentage dollar, and that would be this line here. See that? It came down here exactly. So this would be area. This is a second choice, by the way. For a fair girdle, that could be a second choice. Instead of going all the way down, it can come down here and then go to the upside. But most chances are that it's going to drop here, either this high or this high, and then boom to the upside. So either way, I think that we're supposed to be dropping below 1638. So I'm watching the 40-minute chart, and hopefully, we take it from there. Where the heck is the 40-minute chart? What did I? Oh, okay. So I don't have it here. US dollar index 40-minute chart open. So yeah. Anyway, so now you got it. The fair Gertly, how it is going to happen, right? So a lot of people, do that. That yeah, okay, this is a Gertly, is gonna come all the way down. Not necessarily. You got to see both sides of what is really happening. So if this is big drop here, right, and this could be easily we have 1 and 2 and followed by 3, 4, 5 to the upside, and Euro USD will go up after this big drama. We are dropping since when? Since 2008. Remember that real estate, crash? Since then, it's just coming down. That was the crash that I crashed. I crashed my mortgage company, real estate company. I had to shut down all of them. And then I came this business. But then now I'm trying to get back in that a little bit like I think that, bubble is going to be, blasted or something like that. And then, there will be some opportunity for real estate. So, going to invest some money there, buying some foreclosures if they show up. So I'm getting ready to become an RU agent as well. Sign up with the banks and all of that so I can get those foreclosure listings. That's easy money. A lot of money, actually. Easy and a lot of money. So, yeah, trading is just very boring now to me. It's like just sitting all day, all night, mumbo jumbo. So I need to go out and run around a little bit, right? I'm getting old. So now, this is what it is. So now, you see that? So back to the topic. So now, just select wave 1 and 2, and then we're gonna go up this way here. If we are going to go, then we're gonna drop here. Since it's a girdle, it will start to play out, but it will become a fair girdle, and then from here somewhere, and it will start to go. Just like this diagram here, you can see here, either it's gonna be bouncing from this high, or it will come down to 38% line and then bounce. Or the third scenario is that it's not going to be a fair girdle. It will be the girdle will be executed and it will come down here, bounce a little bit, and then turn and then drop. You never know what's going to happen, right? Putin just started the nuclear drills, right? So I've been talking about this World War III starting soon, and then I think right now, to be honest with you, I think that we are right around the corner, the like extreme corner for it to get started. Just, be ready for that, to be honest with you. Okay, it's a lot of bad things happening right now. Anyway, so yeah, so most probable this to the upside for Euro USD, but there is a chance that. But this is what's gonna happen first. It's gonna drop, and then may bounce, may not, and then go up a little bit, and then like it's gonna be like one or A or two or B, or then boom, boom to the downside. So we will deal with that later. Right now, the concern is that if it's gonna drop. If it's gonna drop, where? This or this, and then what, right? So we'll take it from there. Now, similarly, I went a little bit more in detail, Euro USD, but similarly, Pound USD, if USD gonna get strong, Pound USD need to be going down as well. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so this is the weekly chart. Come on, right? And then monthly chart is like this. Monthly chart is, the one that interests me. I made this chart, by the way, all this mumbo jumbo and, A, B, C count, and then I wrote down this when it was here, and it was in 2018. I have it written here as well. See that? Excuse me. So my final target for this baby is this all the way here. So since then, we went down and then went up and then went down and then we went up and then still below this. This is the key. So all this try, this one, this one, this one, so far it looks like we are failing to go to the upside. So 3502 is the key number. If we stay below, we can drop. And that drop will come either the USD strength or pound weakness. So USD, we just covered that. Pound, I'll cover sometimes later. The video is getting long. And yeah, but all in all, the daily chart is keep coming down, making lower low, right? And lower highs. So this could be like A, B, C, A, B, C, B, and then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the downside, just like we saw in the US dollar index. Right? So index is the upside, this to the downside. That's the effect of the US dollar index on the USD pairs. Right? So similarly, quickly we see USD yen. If USD yen is thinking about going to the upside, because if USD gets strong, it should go up. All right. So let's take a look at that, and let's see where it can go. Now, this is a weekly. Forget about this. And this is a weekly chart I made last time that if we can stay below 51.94, we may drop. But again, now the US dollar is getting strong, and yen. I was thinking that it's going to get strong, but now that Takashi is in charge there, and it took over the office already on I think is 21st October, and everybody talking about that she is very bearish about the yen, right? So yen is gonna get weaker then, right? If yen gets weaker and then USD getting strong, then it's not gonna come down. It's probably gonna go up. So let's see how far it go up, right? So US dollar, USD yen. This is what I'm thinking. This trend line to need to be watched very carefully. We are around 61%, may go up to 78%. Still, we will be around this tier and may drop from there. But if not, then yeah, this could be the wrong count here, and then this could be like A, B, C, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside. Let's see, time will tell. So I'll be watching this one. If as long as we stay above 51.90, 51.94, right? And if you find some long setup, yes, I will take it myself easily. Right? 40-minute chart, how does it look like? This is how it looks like. So this is the high, it will drop and then straight up. So, but I'll wait until it give me at least 40-minute long, and then from there we can go to the upside. Similarly, let's take a look USD CAD. I'll just let me see if I can open that quickly. USD CAD. Okay, USD CAD. You see, this is what it is. So this drop here, and then we are going to the upside, but we are only like around 38%, right? And we are, struggling around this TL here. And but the thing is that on these highs here, and this is the number that we are dealing with right now, 39.77, and currently we are doing 39.93. So a couple of times we went up, we came back down, got pushed back down. So these wicks that we have here, right? But just in case if USD catches up any strength, then it can easily go to either 50% or where the heck is 78%. I don't have it. Why? So 61, 78% retracement. But yeah, now we have 61, but 50 is gone. I don't know. All right. So yeah, 50% is somewhere there. 61 is here. Right. So let's see. Let's see what happens. But yeah, it can go to the upside with the US dollar index strength. But I'm not too worried about this pair because I hardly trade. Euro USD and Pound USD, those are the one, right? The last chart I made for them on a 40-minute chart, and I tried to trade as well. I did. I had a couple of trades. They were like this, right? So I posted on the Telegram as well that my Euro Pound USD target was all the way here to 127. So we are like halfway, and Euro USD also. The target was down here, so we came down, we bounced, but 1638 is stopping it, so we can drop again to the downside to this extension. What extension? Don't have it here. Oops. Yeah, okay, the extension is there. So you see, the extension, the 127 is coming 1494. So we come here? Yeah, very good chance if we stay below 1638. All right. So these are the couple of things that US dollar index will be affecting, and then we'll take it from there. But watch the US dollar index very carefully. I will be, right? And the 40-minute chart, like I said, and then 20-minute chart. Well, I changed the chart here, so it's USD CAD. All right, so you got the point, right? So this is it for now for US dollar index and USD pairs. Later, I'll get a chance, then I'll make a video about gold and all of that. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later in the next video.